Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Sequelize. Today we are going to learn about the Raw Queries Node with the Sequelize. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In Sequelize, you can execute the raw SQL queries alongside with the built-in ORM methods. When working with a relational database in Node.js, raw queries can be useful when you need to perform the complex operations or execute data-specific commands that are not easily achievable using the Sequelize standard methods. Okay, so what we have to use in the Sequelize.query. Okay, so here first we have a connection. Then we are going to define like insert into users, so you can also mentioning like this one also, and you can make the raw queries that you are using like insert into the data and like this. Okay, so I have just implemented the Sequelize query select one. Okay, and here you have to mention the type, that which is a select one, which is the update one. So like here you can see that. So here Sequelize.query type update. Okay, so here query type delete. Okay, so this is the raw queries. I have just implemented one thing. So here you can see that here we have mentioning the await Sequelize.query select start from users, and type should be the query type select. Okay, if I go and save and run this one, okay, now you can see that the data is coming up. Okay, and here the data is executing select start from the users. Okay, so you can also implement in the raw queries. If you have a complex system, then you can also do that part. So basic SQL queries that you can add it over here, whether you want to fetch the data, update the data, delete the data. Okay, or the major complex queries you can modify it. So the way to add the raw queries is you have to define the Sequelize config database, and now then you can use with the method of the await Sequelize.query, and here you have to mentioning your query over here. Then what the type of the query, whether it's to be a select, whether it's to be update, whether it's to be insert, so you can modify it accordingly. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.